everyone, happy Monday to you. Well, before I get into the video, I have to thank you guys for helping me reach another milestone on my YouTube journey of making it over 30,000. I am just in shock, and I couldn't have done it without all of you. So I want to extend a big thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed, hit the notification bell, taken the time to watch little old me, or, you know, for all of you that leave me such beautiful comments. It is literally like a little Christmas dream. So I just want to thank every single one of you. Thank you. You know, I say this all the time, but you guys are literally the best subscribers on the planet. And I don't consider you just subscribers. I consider you friends. So I just love you guys. Thank you. So in today's video, it's going to be a short tour of my home office at nighttime. I'm going to apologize off the bat. I had some of my lamps were turned off in the beginning, and then I turned them on, and then some of my LED flickering candles, the batteries had gone out. So it's not all that I wanted it to be, but you'll get the idea. And then after that, my husband did a time lapse of him taking my Goodwill horse that I found, and he's painting it, giving it a Mackenzie-Childs Inspired look for Christmas. So that'll be following the home office tour. And then after that, I scoured the internet last night for Cyber Monday deals on Amazon. I have put them all in my little Amazon store. So if you want to get there to check it out, you can go to Google, type in Amazon Traditions by the Seasons. It'll bring up my storefront, or you can click in the description box below and just follow that link to my store. You'll see Cyber Monday deals. Click on that, and there's over 100 items I've put in there for you guys to look at that I think my community may like. So check it out. All right, guys, you may remember this horse we picked up at Goodwill, and our plans for it were to paint it and give it a Mackenzie-Childs Inspired look. So here you see are the paint colors we're going to be using, paintbrush and tape. And what my husband is doing here is taping everything off so that when he does go to paint it, he's got a clean look around the edges. So the taping just takes a little extra time. It's probably the most tedious part of prepping the horse. So the horse The horse's saddle and the feet weren't a really deep dark black, so he's going in, he's painting the feet, the saddle, and the reins black. And now he's going in and he's doing the checks around the reins and the feet. And he's added some gold trim here around the saddle. So rather than painting black and white checks on the saddle, we decided to take some ribbon and we were initially going to Mod Podge it on. Here you can see he just hot glued it to kind of see what it looked like. And now he's going in and he's adding more checks on the horse. And in just a moment, you're going to see that's what it looked like with the ribbon. But we ultimately decided to take it off and just leave the saddle black with the gold trim. So the horse was really cute as is, but, you know, for Christmas, we thought, why not? Let's give it a try. So we decided to add the little checks on it, and I think it went from kind of bland to super cute. Now, I should mention that he probably did 3 coats of black on this horse. So he would do all the checks, and then he'd go back in once it was dry and darken the black, because he didn't want it to look gray and white. He wanted it to look super black and white. And he also went in and feathered in some different colors, because if you're familiar with Mackenzie-Childs, she does have other colors in with the courtly checks. So he kind of feathered some in to give it that look. I have to give my husband huge props for doing this for me. He has a much steadier hand than I do. And so this will be a horse that we take out year after year at Christmas time. And I think it'll be a wonderful addition. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So it just goes to show you, go to Goodwill, find something you like, make it your own, add some character. And I think this turned out absolutely adorbs. So Sunday evening, I scoured Amazon for all the Cyber Monday deals that are coming out today, and I believe there's around 75 items. So what you're going to do is go to Google, type in Amazon Traditions by the Seasons. That will take you to my Amazon store, or you can also click on the link in the description box below. But if you go through Google, this is what you'll do. Click on that, and there's my site. So please be aware that when you scour the Cyber Monday deals, they are obviously around for a limited time and or limited quantity. So if you guys come across any interesting finds for Cyber Monday, please feel free to leave a comment below so that others may check it out as well. So there you have it, Amazon Cyber Monday deals. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up my video for today. I have an announcement. My home tour will be coming at some point this week. I don't have the date and time narrowed down, but let's just say it's going to be a home tour like no other on YouTube. I've looked around on YouTube and I have not seen a home tour done this way. Let's just say we're going to have a very special guest take you on the tour. So stay tuned for that, and it's also requiring a lot of special editing. So anyway, be on the lookout this week. I'll let you know as we get closer, because you're not going to want to miss it. All right, friends, that's going to wrap up this video. Come back and see me Wednesday. We'll be up to, what else would we be doing on this channel? Of course, more decorating. What else? I'll see you guys Wednesday. Have a great day.